सबको जय सीताराम. Tonight, very wonderful, very auspicious night of Krishna Janmashtami. We come to you virtually from the Krishna Mandir of 40 Todd Street, San Fernando, and welcome all devotees. Those of you who are looking on at us here in Trinidad and Tobago, those of our devotees who are abroad regionally or indeed globally, as we welcome you to Krishna Mandir. Our love is the same, our devotion is the same, Krishna Bhagwan is the same, but we cannot congregate. We cannot physically be together to share in fellowship and to allow ourselves to congregate to perform puja. Notwithstanding these difficulties, Bhagwan has given us a way to come together. Tonight, as we make this humble offering, as we join together in Kirtan, in wonderful pravachan to be done by Pandit Devendra, and indeed in puja to Bhagwan at the Palana, let us all continue to have that sense of hope, that faith, that Shraddha, that Bhagwan is indeed within us and will remove all difficulties. Brothers and sisters, let us assume that position of reverence now, that prayerful attitude and demeanor as we engage in opening prayer. Hari Om. Om Shri Ganeshaya Namah. Om Shri Saraswate Namah. Om Shri Guru Charan Kamalebhyo Namaha. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Guru Me Deva Sarvakareshu Sarvara. Om Bhadram Dharani Bhishinu Yama Deva Bhadram Pashemakshabiritra Stire Range Sustubhahum Sasanubhi Yushima Devahitam Jadayum Swastina Indro Vrihashavaha Swastina Pusha Vishuviraha Swastina Starikshu Arishtanemi Swastino Brihaspati Dadatu Mukam Karoti Vachalam Pangulandayagi Girim Yat Kripatamaham Mande Paramanandamamaravam. O Bhagwan, through your blessing and your grace and your mercy, those persons who are unable to speak are made eloquent. Through your blessing, your grace and your mercy, persons who are unable to walk can climb the highest mountain. Such is your power, such is your greatness, such is your mercy. Tonight, we surrender ourselves completely to you. We prostrate ourselves before you. We salute you. Om Shanti, 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 Hari Om. Let us now enjoy the offerings of bhajan, of pravachan, and of puja. Sitaram.
Lambodara कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय देवकी नंदनाय च नंदगोपकुमाराय गोविंदाय नमो नमः। ओम श्री गोविंद कृष्ण भगवान की जय। Sitaram, happy Janmashtami to everybody. Shri Krishna Janmashtami, very beautiful day. And today, as we prepare to do puja, to invoke the presence and to invite God into our hearts, into our mind, we ask that Bhagwan, you continue to instill in us the peace, the happiness, the love that only you can give to us, and we can in turn reflect upon others. You are so sweet, Bhagwan. Everything about you is so sweet. there's a whole Madhur Ashtakam dedicated to you. Madhusudhana, Madhusudhana, Krishna Murari Govinda, Krishna Murari Govinda, Krishna Krishna Murari Govinda, Krishna Murari Govinda. Tonight is about his birth, his descent onto earth to teach us how to love, how to be, how to pray, how to be good people. And we are all very, very familiar with the story. We know that Kans imprisoned his cousin, but he treated her like a sister. She considered him as a brother. And because he thought that she was a threat to him, because her 8th child was destined to destroy him, he imprisoned her and proceeded to destroy each one of the children that she had while she was there imprisoned in that prison with Vasudeva Dulaha. One by one, he dashed them to the floor as they were born, until finally, when the 8th child was to be born, in the middle of the night, everyone was quiet. All of the guards were around, and suddenly they fell asleep. And as they fell asleep, what happened? The Lord entered into that cell to bless both of them with love and His presence. And the time had come for Krishna Bhagwan to manifest on this earth. And as Vishnu Bhagwan first of all came in all his splendor and glory, Devaki Mata put her hands together and she prayed to him. Upam Sahara Vishwatman Adorupam Alaukikam Shankha Chakra Gada Padma Shriyajushtam Chaturbhujam. Bhagwan, my Lord, you are all pervading. You are the all pervading Supreme Personality, and your transcendental form, Chaturbhujam, the 4 arms, Shankha, Chakra, Gada, Padma, holding the Shankh, the Chakra, the discus, the Gada, the mace, the Padma, the lotus. All of this, I'm not sure that the world is prepared to see you like this. Please withdraw from this form and take the natural human child form. And I will try to keep you safe. I will try to keep you with me and hide you away. And with that, Vishnu Bhagwan transformed into the little baby. And we know what happened from there, but I will go through it to tell you because it's important to our discussion tonight. As he took the form, all of the guards, as we had mentioned, fell asleep. Magically, mysteriously, all of the locks became unlocked. And Vasudeva took the child with him, placed him into a basket, swaddled in beautiful cloth that was there, and he took and put him onto his head. He told Devaki Mata, I'm going to take him across to Yashoda and Nanda Baba's home, and there he will remain safe. And with that, he placed him on his head and he took his leave. He left the prison. All the doors were opened. He set out into the night, and it being the month that there was a lot of rain because that was the rainy season. And there was pouring rain, and Sheshnag himself crawled up above to form an umbrella over the divine baby. Krishna Bhagwan is there, peaceful, loving, and as his father Vasudeva is taking him now, they come to the river, and now to cross that river, it is all tumultuous and waves, and the flood is rising, similar to how we experienced flood just recently. Yet Vasudeva engaged in that flood. He went into the water, not fearful for his life, but determined to reach his destiny, to save his son. And as he went into the water kept rising. Mataji, in the form of the river, wanted to touch the feet of Krishna Bhagwan. Krishna Bhagwan, becoming aware of that, placed his foot outside of the basket and touched the water, so the water began to go down, to allow Vasudeva the opportunity to cross the river safely. And as he reached now to the home of Nanda, he called out, and then Nanda came out, and he placed Krishna Bhagwan next to Yashoda. And with that, he in turn took Yashoda's little one that was born and returned into the prison. It is a wonderful story. It is full of very deep meaning. There's more that happened before, and there was more that happened after. But the important part now is to understand why good God took form in such a manner, in such circumstances. So much of our life we feel imprisoned. So much of our life is full of adversity and difficulties. And we feel, listen, how am I to cope with all of these things? For so many people, not any of you who are looking on, but for so many people, their life and their circumstances is like a big, huge circle. Huge circle. And within that circle, we box ourselves into a little bit of that circle. And we imprison ourselves in there, and we say that is where our happiness is. And if we're not within that particular area, that particular square, then we cannot be happy. Forgetting that all of the rest of the circle encompasses our life. And Bhagwan is there to help us to break that prison down, to open it up and to open our heart. But he has to first of all enter into that heart and shape our mind. How do we shape it? We know very well about our frontal lobe. That is where reason and judgment is all residing. And we know that has been taught to us that area of our brain does not develop until we at least 25 to 30, and which is why our rishis and munis told us for the first 20 years or so of our life, spend it in puja, develop yourself, develop your brain, develop your thinking, allow our parents and our gurus to guide us to that point, because we have not yet developed that frontal lobe to understand and reason and properly think through what we're supposed to do. Instead, we are guided by the other part of the brain, which encourages us to be emotional, to be like wild horses in our thoughts, unable to bridle ourselves to come under the control of our mind. So Bhagwan comes into our hearts if we allow him or her, depending on how we see God, and comes into our heart, into our mind, into our body, into our life, to free us from all the difficulties that we feel that are surrounding us. We feel trapped and imprisoned by our own mind. I cannot be happy unless I have this. I cannot be happy unless I wear that. I cannot be happy unless I eat this. And we begin and continue to just imprison ourselves in our thoughts and our lives. And Bhagwan comes, and if we invoke his presence and we say, Bhagwan, come into my heart, come into our mind, come into my place, help me to be worthy of you as a child of yours. He says, let me first of all unlock that mind that you think is imprisoning you. And the road after that prison being unlocked is not going to be an easy one. You are going to feel inundated by things and around you and experiences around you. And how do we cope with that? How do we cope with this feeling of I'm drowning, Bhagwan, I'm drowning. You've told me to free my mind, but I'm drowning, I'm not able to cope. How can I get assistance? The symbolism of Krishna Bhagwan in that basket with Sheshnag above it is not coincidental, it is beautiful. Because when God sits on the top of us, when God resides in our head and in our mind and filters through to our heart and our entire body, then all that floods around us would somehow subside because we recognize who is important, who is first. And Sheshnag being there representing time, recognizing that we do not have the time to waste. We do not have time to waste at all. Every moment, fill it with God. Let God be there. Open our hearts. This is what he is saying. Fill ourselves with God and stop compartmentalizing our life to the extent where happiness is only in that box that we talked about. Let that all be broken down and let happiness permeate every aspect of our life. What a beautiful moment and thought that would be. Bhagwan is all-pervading. He has no boundary. And yet, we ourselves try to put him in boxes to help us to understand him. But we know when we sit back and we listen to our kathas, the great wisdom that is there, that Bhagwan permeates every aspect of life, but only if we ourselves ask him to come. We sing beautiful songs to invoke his presence. We say wonderful prayers to say, Bhagwan, you are everything to me. We say, Tvameva Mata Cha Pita Tvameva. Do we really accept that reality, that you are my mother, you are my father, you are everything? If we accept that, we begin breaking those walls down and opening those prisons. Because then we recognize God's permanence in our life. These are beautiful thoughts to think about. And whenever we have times like these, Shri Krishna Janamashtami, moments where we can sit and think about God and remember how God fits into our life, and remember to reconnect with God, these moments gives us that chance. These festivals gives us this chance. Coming up, we'll have Shri Ganeshji Jayanti, and we'll be thinking of Ganeshji, filling ourselves with thoughts of removal of difficulties and doubts. But for today, Krishna Bhagwan, Madhusudhana, Madhusudhana, Krishna Murari Govinda, Krishna Murari Govinda. We welcome God into our heart, into our mind, into our life. We ask God to remove the prison walls that prevent us from moving forward and advancing in life. We ask you, Bhagwan, to let those flood waters of doubt and uncertainty and problems and difficulties, may they subside with your touch, and help me to put you first in my life. Put you on the top and let me keep you there always. I would like to close welcoming him with a beautiful little song, and I wish that you will join together with me just in one verse, so we will recognize his presence and welcome him. Sakhi sab gavali sohar ratiya, manohar ratiya, manohar nu ho. ललना यशोदा के भैन किशोर जी मुरली मनोहर हो. ललना यशोदा की भैन किशोर जी मुरली मनोहर हो. पंडित अयने दुअरिया विचारे, सगुनिया विचारे, सगुनियानु हो. ललना जुग जुग जिए, नंदलाल आशीष सब देवन हो. ललना जुग जुग जिए, नंद लाल आशीष सब देवन हो. सखी सब गावली सोहर रतिया, मनोहर रतिया, मनोहर नु हो. ललना जसोदा की भैने किशोर जी मुरली मनोहर हो. ललना यशोदा की बहन किशोर जी मुरली मनोहर हो. Bhagwan, please take your place in my body, in my mind, in my life. Help me to recognize you. Help me to see you. Please free me from all the difficulties that may be in my way. Please free me. Please help me to become that true devotee of yours who is worthy of your love, and may I continue to love you always. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. May you all have a beautiful, wonderful Shri Krishna Janamashtami. May Bhagwan continue to bless you always and fill your life with love. Om Jai Shri Krishna.
Hare
Jai Sitaram, we join now together in puja to Bhagwan. Having entered our heart and our mind this evening, tonight, as we observe Janamashtami, we now perform puja here at the Palana. Brief puja, but meaningful puja. We start with the purification of the Shrota before puja is performed. Om Keshavaya Namaha, Om Madhavaya Namaha, Om Rishikeshaya Namaha. Supporter. Om Amritopastara Namasi Swaha, Om Amrita Pidha Namasi Swaha, Om Satyam Yashaha Srimai Shri Shaitam Swaha, Om Hastrakshalam Samarpem, Om Apavitra Pavitro Sarvastangatu Vivaya Smarit Pundarikaksham Sabhya Bindra Suchihi. Having purified ourselves, having purified our surroundings, we now propitiate Bhagwan. We take flowers in our hand as we offer our love, our adoration, O Prabhu, to you. Om Shri Krishnai Govindai Namo Namaha. Vasudeva Sutam Devam Kamsa Chanudamardhanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Bhande Jagadguru Mukam Karoti Vachalam Pango Lantayake Kirim Yat Kripatamaham Bhande Paramanandamamaravam Om Agacchadeva Deva Shate Jodasi Jagatpate Maya Kriya Pujanam Grihanas Nastame Shri Krishnaye Govindaye Namo Namah Vahayami Snapyami Dhayami Pujayami Namo Namaha. Offer the flowers and you bow at the feet of Krishna Bhagwan. Om Shri Krishnaye Govindaye Namo Namaha. Water is sprinkled to the divine. Om Shri Krishnaye Govindaye Namo Namah. Padyo Padyam Samarpyami Stogryam Samarpyami Achmanyam Samarpyami Gangesha Yamuneshchaiva Godavari Saraswati Narmada Sindhu Kaveri Jale Asmin Sannadhina Kuru. Shri Krishnaye Govindaye Namo Namaha. Om. We now offer Vastradan, clothing, to the divine. Hari Om. Touch the Murti, touch your forehead. Om Ved Sukte Samayukte Yagya Samasamanvite Sarva Vadide Padi Deva Vasasi Patigretam Vastram Samarpe. The Murti of Bhagwan Krishna is now adorned with wonderful clothing. O Prabhu, we adorn you this evening. We pray to you that as this Vastra is being put onto you, as this Vastra is being placed on you, that you indeed accept the offering. Om Veda Sukte Samayukte Yagya Samasamanvite Sarvavade Pari Deva Vasasi Patigretam. Om Shri Krishnaye Govindaye Namo Namaha. Om Tat Purushaya Vidmahi Vasudevaya Dhimahi Tanno Krishna Prachodayat. Om Tat Purushaya Vidmahi Vasudevaya Dhimahi Tanno Krishna Prachodayat. Om Shri Krishnaye Govindaye Namo Namaha. Having adorned Bhagwan with wonderful clothing, we now offer to him the various ornaments: chandan, perfume, hardi, and sindhu. Om Shri Kanda Chandanam Devyam Gandhayam Sumanoharam Vilepanam Sreshtam Shri Chandanam Patigredam. Om Shri Krishnaye Govindaye Namo Namaha. Gandham Samarpyami Hari Om. We offer hardi. Om Haddina Sarvabhya Subhagya Dayani Sarvalankar Mukyami Devitam Patigredam. Haddam Samarpe Sindur. Om Sinduram Shubhanam Raktam Subhagyam Sukavaranam Shubharam Kamadam Chaivam Sinduram Parigredam. Sprinkle a few grains of rice. Om Akshatashta Shureshura Kumkumata Shobita Menivitya Grihana Parameshwaram Akshatam Samarpe. The doop grass is offered. ॐ कान्दात् कान्दात् पुरन्ति पुरुष पुरुषपरि देवानो दुर्वे प्रतनु सहस्रने शतने च दुर्वं समर्पे. We now adorn him with flowers. ॐ श्री कृष्णाय गोविन्दाय नमो नमः. माल्यदीनि सुगन्धीनि माल्यत्यादीनि वै प्रभु. मेहर्तानि प्रियर्तं पुष्पाणि पटिगृहीतां पुष्पमालं समर्पये श्री कृष्णाय गोविन्दाय नमो नमः. We offer to him now dupam. ॐ वनस्पतिर्सोधूतो गन्धायो गन्धोतमः अर्घ्या देवानां धूपोऽयं परिगृहीतां धूपं दर्शे श्री कृष्णाय गोविन्दाय नमो नमः. We offer next deepam to Bhagavan. ॐ साजं चावर्ति समायुक्तं वाहिनं योजितं मया त्रैलोकात्मे अर्पणं दीपं परमेश्वरं दीपं दर्शे. प्रेम से बोले वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय. We now prepare ourselves to offer Naivedya. As we hold this Naivedyam in hand, Prabhu, we pray to you tonight that we've come before you filled with love, filled with devotion, filled with that sense of hope. And tonight, as we make this offering a symbol of our love, we ask you, Prabhu, be pleased, prasanna ho, accept this offering. Hari Om Shri Krishnaya Govindaya Namo Namaha. Naivedyam Gritam Devam Bhaktim Mehechalam Kurvibhistam Japaram Dehi Param Japaram Gatim Gritpakam Vishanam Peshtam Jashankaram Nana Vidancha Naivedyam Grihana Parameshwaram Naivedyam Samarpe. Om Pranaya Swaha Om Apanaya Swaha Om Vinaya Swaha Hari Om Shri Krishnaya Govindaya Namo Namaha. Achman is offered. Om Sarva Paparam Devyam Gangeyam Nirmalam Jalam Achmanyam Myaratam Grihana Parameshwaram Shri Krishnaya Govindaya Namo Namaha. Achmanyam Samarpe. We now offer Tambulam. Om Bungi Palamyadevyam Naugalila Yuktam Ilana Chordani Samayuktam Tambulam Surapujitam Tambulam Samarpe. Offering of Dakshina coins. Om Iranya Garbha Garbhastami Mavivasavonanta Punya Pladita Shantim Prachayame Dravrakshanam Samarpyamiryam Dravrakshanam Samarpe. And now, as a major part of the performance of puja, we julawi the palina very gently, and as the palina is being rocked, let us all offer a prayer to this divine being, Krishna Bhagavan, to fulfill all the desires. We julawi the palina.
Jhule jhule palna, Yashoda jhulawe lalala. Jhule jhule palna, Yashoda jhulawe lalala. Jhule jhule palna, Yashoda jhulawe lalala. Jhule jhule palna, Yashoda jhulawe lalala.
राधे लाल की जय. Shri Krishnai Govindai Namo Namaha. Bhagwan, we've performed your puja, we've Julawi the Palana, we crave your blessing, your guidance, and your continued inspiration.
कैसे आऊं मैं कान्हा तेरी गोकुल नगरी, बड़ी दूर नगरी. ओ कैसे आऊं मैं कान्हा तेरी गोकुल नगरी, बड़ी दूर नगरी. ओ बड़ी दूर नगरी, बड़ी दूर
come to the conclusion of our offering for tonight. We've come together as a community, as a family of the Krishna Mandir, to offer our love to Bhagwan on this most wonderful occasion of Janamashtami. We give our thanks to you for joining with us, to Bhagwan for giving us the opportunity, to all of our talented musicians and singers for the wonderful, wonderful kirtan that have been rendered tonight. We give thanks to Pandit Devendra for wonderful pravachan, and indeed we give thanks for all of the mercies granted to us by God. Let us now, as we conclude, join together in prayer, believing firmly that Bhagwan, who has blessed us, will continue to do so, to emerge from these difficult times stronger and more fortified. Brothers and sisters, let us join now in closing prayer. O Prabhu, you are that Supreme Master. Through you all things are possible. Through you all things can be done. We surrender ourselves completely to you. We know, Prabhu, that you are mother and father, you are family, you are friend, you are knowledge, you are wealth, you are everything to us. We pray to you. Hari Om Kayena Vacha Manasendriva Buddhyatma Va Prakriti Svabhava Karo me yajna sakalam parasme Narayanaiti samarapayami. We join together. Tvameva mata cha pita tvameva tvameva bandhu Chaseka tvameva, tvameva vidya, dravinam tvameva, tvameva sarvam, mamadeva deva. Om asato ma sadgamayam, tamaso ma jyotirgamayam, mrityurma amritam gamaya. Om dhyau shanti Antariksha Shanti, Prithvi Shanti, Apa Shanti, Oshadheya Shanti, Bhanaspatir Shanti, Vishwadeva Shanti, Brahma Shanti, Sarvam Shanti, Shantireva Shanti Sama, Shantiridhi, Sushantir Bhavatu. प्रेम से बोले श्री गणेश भगवान की जय, बिंद्रावन बिहारी लाल की जय, श्री सत्य सनातन धर्म की जय। सबको जय सीताराम। May Bhagwan continue to bless us all.